Assalamualaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the 10th video lecture of class 5 English. So today we'll be doing exercise B1 and B2, and for B1 use the following words in sentences of your own to show that you understand what they mean, and you will find the words in the story. Now the given words, which are 9, are also already given in the story or our chapter. They are your homework assignment. You have to make sentences of these words. You can get help from your tutors, your parents, or if you have still any problems, you can leave the comment below the video and I'll get to that. So the next one, here are some common collective nouns. Can you match them correctly and write them in your notebooks? Now the solution is already given on your given sheets, but it is already solved on my book here. You can copy it from here. Now we can't match range with sheep because range of sheep is not a suitable collective noun for sheep. So range will be used for hills. A range of hills, a colony of ants, and a heap of stones. A flock of sheep, a herd of cows, and a pack of hounds or wolves. Litter, a litter of puppies, and a school of fish. A deck of cards, a bunch of keys, and a pack of wolves. So solve them on your book, and the sentences will be made on your neat notebooks. Prepare pages accordingly, and just get to that. Until next video, Allah Hafiz.